Face treatment. Remove makeup and clean. Apply toner. Alternate palms of both hands to lift the treatment area from the chin to the forehead. Do the same on the other side. Select the face probe combined with hands to lift the treatment area. Move the probe in circles from double chin to the back of the ear, from mouth corner to temple, from nose wing to temple, from lower eyelids to temple. Move in circles towards the hairline on the forehead. Lift the probe in lines on one side of the face to lift the treatment area. Do the same on the other side. You can double the operation on fine lines or wrinkles. Clean face. And apply facial mask. After 15 minutes, remove the mask and clean again. Apply toner, essence, cream, and sunscreen. Neck treatment. Remove makeup and clean. Use both hands to massage the chest, then slide to the back of the neck and press Feng Chi and Feng Fu point. Alternate hands to lift from the lower jawline and pass through the back of the ear, then slide to the underarm. Circle with the part between the thumb and the index finger to push the 3 meridians on the neck side, then slide to the underarm. Use 4 fingers to push the neck side of the 3 meridians to the underarms. Rub the side of the neck with kneeling fingers until it turns hot, then slide to the underarms. Alternate hands in pulling the entire neck. Do the same on the other side. Select the neck probe, adjust the mode ranging from level 1 to 5. Start from the double chin to lift to the back of the ear, then slide to the underarm. Move the probe on 3 meridians on the neck in small circle, then slide to the underarm. Move the probe in small circles around the neck. Lift up from the entire neck in lines. Do the same on the other side. Clean neck, apply neck mask. Apply essence on the treatment area.